If you've ever published a job posting and days later you have hundreds of applications sitting in your inbox, you know that there's no way you're interviewing all of them at once. So you do what everyone does. You skim each resume for a few seconds, pick a handful that look good on paper, in your hope that you didn't just bin your best hires. I decided to build a system to actually screen every single one of the applicants using AI without booking a single call. And the results were surprisingly good. I'm Sen from StartupWise. Let's get into it. In 2026, applying for jobs with resumes is broken. So when you screen those resumes, you're not ranking people, you're just ranking which chatbot wrote the best copy. But how do you then sift through hundreds of real applicants without spending weeks and weeks on the phone? I finally decided I was going to switch my workflow and split the work into two parts. I would use AI to do the parts that AI was good at, which is the filtering and the sorting. And then I left the actual judging where it belongs, which is on me. Here is where I was watching real people answer real questions. And because of that, there were 3 steps that I had to do. Step number 1 was writing questions and preparing the interview. When it comes to great interviews, generic questions gets you generic answers. I decided to take my job description and speak into Claude. I then asked it to create me questions that would expose whether someone can actually do this role. This gave me no more generic questions like what's his strengths and weaknesses. And finally, with this list of questions, I then went into my interview platform to create the interview. However, I still had a real problem. How do I interview hundreds of applicants without endless calls? And it was this interview platform that literally changed everything for me. Instead of having to do live interviews, I used a one-way video interviewer. There's a platform I found called Hireflix. And on here, I can build the interview once, I can drop in my questions, I can set how long candidates get to think and how long they get to answer, and then I can record a quick intro if I want. Then once I'm done, I now get one interview link which I can then send to every applicant all at once. They record their answers whenever they want on a phone or laptop, and they don't even need to log in or download any software, which saves everyone from constant scheduling, dealing with time zone differences, and constant phone tag. And within minutes, you can literally expect to start getting applications, which moves you on to step 3. You're no longer reading a resume a robot wrote, but you're now watching an actual person answer your questions. You can finally see how they think, how they communicate, whether that confident CV they sent in matches a confident human being. What's awesome is that Hireflix also transcribes every answer automatically, so you can use AI to summarize them and line them up against what traits you care about. This makes comparing applications a lot more easier to then figure out, filter through, and make your final selections. But I do want to say, the second you let AI score people at this stage is where you indirectly bake in any kind of bias. So it's important to only use AI to sort the information. The human on camera is who you need to judge, not AI. You can even add an honesty prompt. Some people even add an honesty prompt that nudges a candidate not to read the answer off an AI model just in another tab. So again, this will make sure that you really get the raw, authentic applications. And just like that, you can go from hundreds of applicants to a short list within a single day. In fact, loads of recruiters also mention finding talents they would have skipped if they were just handing in the resumes. And that's exactly why teams are running thousands of these interviews a month on Hireflix. Some recruiters even said that it cuts the interviewing process by 90%. And another imported hundreds of candidates and had finished interviews back within minutes. Alright, so who's Hireflix actually for? If you're hiring just one person from a pool of like 5 or so, getting a tool like this is overkill. But the second you're drowning in volume of applicants, or you're just hiring for a role that just pulls in loads of applications, then you might want to try Hireflix, because it turns a multi-month process into a few days' work. It acts as a screener, not as your final decision. You still need to do a proper interview with your top selected candidates, but using this platform just makes sure the right few are actually selected. And when it comes to the cost, Hireflix is free to try for 1 month. And best of all, you don't even need a credit card to sign up. The paid plans start around $75 a month for small teams and $150 for bigger ones. And every plan is unlimited. So you can run unlimited interviews with candidates without needing to pay any per seat pricing. If you want to try Hireflix, use the link in the description and down below, as well as in the pinned comment. We do use affiliate links and they help support the channel at no extra cost to you. So thanks a lot in advance. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.